Roadmap to become a Tableau engineer. Every company today is generating data. From sales numbers to customer behavior. Everything is being tracked, stored, and analyzed. But raw data alone doesn't help anyone. Because data is only powerful when people can understand it. And that's exactly where a Tableau engineer comes in. A Tableau engineer transforms complex data into clear, interactive dashboards that help businesses make smarter decisions. They don't just create charts. They tell stories with data. So, how do you become a Tableau engineer? It all starts with understanding data itself. Before you even open Tableau, you need to know how data works. You should understand what datasets look like, how tables are structured, and how different data sources connect with each other. You'll learn about rows, columns, relationships, and data types. Because if you don't understand the data, you can't visualize it properly. Once you have that foundation, the next step is learning SQL. SQL is one of the most important skills for any data professional. It helps you extract, filter, and manipulate data from databases. You'll use SQL to prepare the exact data you need before bringing it into Tableau. Because clean data leads to better dashboards. After that, you step into Tableau. This is where things start getting exciting. You'll learn how to connect Tableau to different data sources, like Excel, databases, or cloud platforms. Then, you'll start building visualizations. Bar charts, line graphs, maps, and dashboards. But here's the key: Tableau is not just about visuals. It's about insight. You'll learn how to choose the right chart for the right data. Because the way you present data can completely change how people understand it. As you go deeper, you'll learn calculated fields. This is where you create custom formulas inside Tableau. You'll transform raw data into meaningful metrics, like growth rates, percentages, and performance indicators. Then comes dashboard design. This is where creativity meets logic. You'll learn how to organize visuals in a way that tells a clear story. Because a good dashboard doesn't confuse people, it guides them. You'll also work with filters, parameters, and interactivity. This allows users to explore data on their own. Instead of static reports, you create dynamic experiences. As you progress, you'll start learning data modeling. This involves combining multiple data sources and building relationships between them. Because in real-world projects, data rarely comes from one place. You also need to understand performance optimization. Sometimes dashboards become slow, especially with large datasets. You'll learn how to improve speed and efficiency so your dashboards run smoothly. Because no one likes waiting for data to load. Then comes real-world practice. You'll start building dashboards for different scenarios: sales analysis, marketing performance, financial reports, and more. Each project will improve your thinking. Because Tableau is not just a tool. It's a problem-solving skill. Now let's talk about tools and ecosystem. A Tableau engineer often works with tools like Excel, SQL databases, and sometimes Python for data processing. But remember, tools are just the medium. Your real value lies in how you think about data. You also need communication skills. Because your dashboards will be used by managers, executives, and teams. If they don't understand your dashboard, it's not effective. So, you need to think from the user's perspective. What do they need? What decisions are they trying to make? Your job is to make those decisions easier. Over time, you can also go for certifications like Tableau Desktop Specialist or Tableau Certified Data Analyst. They can boost your credibility and open new opportunities. But again, skills matter more than certificates. The biggest challenge in this journey, not the tool, but understanding the story behind the data. Because numbers alone don't matter. Insights do. Start your journey today and become a Tableau engineer who turns data into decisions and insights into impact.